Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging for today. Before we get into that though, I am going to say hello to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're just passing through, please consider hitting the subscribe button and joining the crew. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And like I said, I appreciate every one of you. Just make sure you give me a like and a thumbs up before you leave. Thank you to everyone who has showed me some love on my Etsy shop. I appreciate it. So, okay, let's get into this unbagging. So, this is another from Amazon, of course, and it is a budget-friendly diamond painting. And as you can see, if you can tell just by a little bit, it is a Christmassy one, but that's okay. I don't care. So, let's see. I gave $6.68 for this one. And it is poured glue. So we are going to roll it back and kind of get some of the wrinkles out of it so it'll lay flat. And looky here. Look, Melody. Look, Claire. It's another gnome. I'm sorry. I just think they're so cute. So, let's see. He is a 30 by 40. And it has the canvas number on there. So, let's see if it... Yes. The canvas number is on the drills. So, let's look and see what kind of kit do we get here. Now, this is a step above your average little kit because they add a couple extra things. Alright, so they give us 2 pins, but one has got a multi-placer on it, and I think maybe that might be a 7. I think. Alright, so you get 2 pins, one with a multi-placer. You get a few baggies. I can shove those back in there. Alright, you get a square of pink wax. You get a pink squishy to put on your pen. And then you get your green boat. So, I consider these just a little bit better than just 1 pen, 1 wax, and a boat. You get a little extra. So that's why I say these are just a little bit above your average kit. So let's look at these drills. Now this is a round poured glue 30 by 40. It has 22 colors. And let's see. Alright. We've got some reds. And again, I'm not going to call all these out. But the DMC number is on the canvas, but not the bags. But that's okay. But the colors are pretty. They're muted, but they're pretty. Lots of pinks and reds. And some grays and some blues. There's a mauve. And it looks like we got 3 bags. Let me see. Yep, $36.65. Or $38.65, my bad. I don't know why I said 36. But, alright, anyway. 3 bags of those. So you know that's going to be his beard in the snow. So, I'm going to bring it down a little bit. And the drill filled looks great. Looks like we're going to have a little confetti here and there, but there's quite a bit of color blocking on him. So let's bring you back up. So it has a legend on the bottom right, top left, has a little bitty tiny thumbnail, but it is a gnome, and he has got a cardinal. He's got a little bitty pine tree with a star on the top, and maybe a bird feeder? Maybe? Or is that a lantern? I don't know. There's a snowflake there, part of one there. But yeah, all of this can be color blocked. All the snow color blocked. Most of his beard is color blocked. I think that's about it. Looks like there's a little bit of dirt on the canvas though. Yeah. I don't know what that is, but I mean, I can get it off. But it's very sticky. Very sticky canvas. So what do y'all think? Now, I know Melody and Claire is going to hate it because it's a gnome. They don't like gnomes. And every time I do a gnome, I think about them too. So, but yeah. And I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I already showed the gnome with the green hat, which is why I got this one with the red hat, so they could go together. So, but if I haven't showed that one yet, then it's coming. So, all right, y'all. What do y'all think about this one? Just leave me a comment, and I will put all the information in the description box. I do that with every video. And I'll let you know if it's still in stock or if not. If it says when it'll be back, I'll put that info in there. So, like I said, I give $6.68 for this one. Not bad. Under 10 bucks. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate all of you. And I guess until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.